a new adventure for me. I'm here in North Nalibabad at the Roadhouse Kitchen. This one is I really wanted to try, the tacos. Tacos was really good. It's a little bit spicy, but it's really, really good. The name of this pasta is sandwich tomato. The pasta is really good. Not that spicy, and it's really tasty. So this is a spring onion pasta in front of me, and I'm gonna try. It really tastes like an onion, but it's really good. Taste was fine. It's awesome. So now we're going to try the beef steak thunderstorm. You can see it's really huge. They have 4 sauces in the side. So now I've tried already. It's meaty. The sauce was so good, cheesy, and it's perfect the way how it is. In front of me, this is BLC. So this is gonna be my last food. So it's gonna be cheese inside, exploded. It's basically like it's a grind meat with a cheese inside. My favorite. It's a lot of cheese. It's heaven, guys. It's full of cheese. It's really, really good. 10 out of 10. Honestly. I've done my course. I've done my meal. And it was really amazing. Food was 10 out of 10. And I wasn't not expecting that they're gonna serve us that kind of platter. The food was really fantastic. So enticing. Really glad I came here and I really appreciated everything. So see you next time.